Join me as we dive into the legend of the Cornish knockers and see if I can uncover the truth behind these mine spirits that followed Cornishmen across the world. In the depths of Cornish folklore there's a legend that's shrouded in mystery. The Cornish knockers. These small, mischievous spirits are said to haunt the mines of Cornwall, and their significance in Cornish folklore cannot be overstated. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Cornish knockers is the air of mystery that surrounds them. Despite their importance in Cornish folklore, very little is known about these enigmatic creatures. Their origins, motivations, and even their true nature remain a topic of debate among scholars and enthusiasts alike. This lack of concrete information has only added to their allure, making them an intriguing subject of study and speculation. As we delve deeper into the mystery of the Cornish knockers, we begin to uncover hints of a much darker and more sinister presence lurking in the shadows. Strange noises, unexplained events, and even ghostly apparitions have been reported by those who dare venture into the mines where the knockers are said to reside. These eerie tales have contributed to the knockers' reputation as malevolent entities, feared and respected in equal measure. Despite the fear and reverence they inspire, the Cornish knockers remain an enigma, a puzzle waiting to be solved. Their obscure nature has led to a multitude of theories and interpretations, from ancient pagan deities to malevolent spirits. The true identity of the Cornish knockers remains a topic of heated debate. The knockers' origins can be traced back to the early days of Cornish mining, when small mischievous spirits were believed to inhabit the tunnels and caverns beneath the earth. These spirits were said to be the guardians of the mines, tasked with protecting the precious minerals and metals hidden within the depths of the earth. Over time, their characteristics evolved, and they became synonymous with the Cornish mining industry. According to local legend, the knockers were small, ugly creatures with a penchant for mischief and mayhem. They were known to knock on the walls of mines, signalling the discovery of hidden veins of ore or precious metals. These knocking sounds are said to be a warning, a signal to the miners to be cautious and respectful of the knockers' domain. Tales surrounding the Cornish knockers are as varied as they are fascinating, from stories of friendly knockers who guided miners to hidden riches to darker tales of malevolent spirits who lured the unwary to their doom. The legends of the Cornish knockers are a testament to the power of human imagination and the enduring allure of the unknown. Miners were known to leave a crust of their pasties as an offering to these mysterious spirits of the mines. A well-fed knocker would be a benevolent companion, showing the miners the way to a rich lode or even a safe way out from a collapsed shaft. A miner who did not share his crib ran the risk of the knockers leading him to his doom deep underground. As we delve deeper into the mystery of the Cornish knockers, we begin to realise that the truth is far more fascinating than the legend itself. In conclusion, the legend of the Cornish knockers is a testament of the power of human imagination and the allure for the unknown. From their mysterious origins to their enigmatic nature, the Cornish knockers remain a fascinating subject of study and speculation. Whether you believe them to be supernatural entities or cleverly crafted deceptions, one thing is certain: the Cornish knockers will continue to captivate and intrigue us for generations to come. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the creepy legend of the Cornish knockers. If you have any thoughts or theories about these enigmatic creatures, be sure to leave them in the comments.